Hey y'all, so I am here today to give you a little bit of help sculpting your back. This is one of my favorite days to do at the gym just because I think a sculpted back is just so sexy. Yes, I think it's so sexy. Anyways, I mean, I don't want it like crazy, like bulge or anything like that for like my female-esqueness, but I do really love being the dancer I am. I always am thinking about my posture and everything, and just like when you turn around to the back, it's nice to see some definition. So I think a sculpted back is super sexy. I'll say it again. So today I'm showing you a few exercises to help get you there. If you enjoy it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel. I would so appreciate that. And let's stop procrastinating and get working on those back muscles.
Okay, and for the first superset, you're going to perform a reversed fly. So basically, just soften your knees and slightly bend forward. Make sure to hold your core in tight. That'll protect your back and also trigger your core. But then have your palms face one another. Start together at the bottom and then just use your back muscles to open up out to the side. Moving right along, we're going into a regular bicep curl. So just take a weight that's good for you. I think I'm using 10 pounds here, but hold on to it, palms up. Keep your upper arms locked right there by your sides. Only bend at the elbow. Really feel your bicep engage as you flex, and then fully straighten your arm back out just straight to lengthen your upper arm muscle. You'll repeat this superset for a total of 3 times, doing 10 in each position. Your next superset will be performing a incline dumbbell row. So just put that bench on a nice incline and then make your way down so you're laying on it as I am. Be careful. Hold on to the weights, palms turned to face one another. Keep your arms held in close to your sides as you just draw those weights up towards your chest. Try to hold your arms in nice and tight. That way you can trigger your lat muscle even more. Once you've completed 10 rows, make your way up to turn back to face the normal way to do an incline bicep curl. Leave it at the same incline the bench was just at. Sit down, lay back. Again, palms turned up and in towards you as you curl your weights up to your shoulders. Try to hold your upper arm as still as possible again to really flex your guns. You're going to start feeling this, as you can see. I definitely was. You're going to repeat this superset again for a total of 3 times, doing 10 reps in each position. Moving right along, we're getting into the lat pull-downs now. So I'm starting out with a wide grip lat pull-down. You can see I'm holding farther out at the end of the bars, pulling it all the way down towards my chest. Now we're simply going into another lat pull down, but with a close grip. So just move your hands in closer towards you, more like shoulder width apart. Hold on to the bar and then pull in and down. Try to keep your arms held in nice and tight towards your sides. You're going to start sculpting that back in no time. Perform 3 sets total, 10 in each position. Moving into one of my favorite new back exercises is the single arm lat pull down. So basically take hold of that handle, start with your palm turned down towards the floor, and as you draw your arm into your side, turn your palm to face you. You're really going to start to feel this through your lat, especially just on that side that you're working. So take it easy, maybe start out with a lighter weight because it gets intense. As you can see, I'm doing this in a staggered split stance just to really help with my stability. And I want you to really stretch that arm back out to straight. That way you can lengthen your muscles at the same time you start to tone them. Do this exercise for a total of 3 times, 10 on each arm. And last up for today's workout is a straight arm lat pull down. Ooh, but notice I'm getting you a little oblique exercise at the same time. So you're going to hold on to the small handlebar, pull it straight down for the first portion of this as you lift back up, and then angle down towards your left side, back to center, and down towards the right. You're only going to do this for a total of 3 sets, but only 5. Center, left, and right is 1 set. By the time you get to the end of this workout, I promise you that your lats are going to be on fire, but it's going to feel so good at the same time. Back day is one of my favorite days because I just love seeing a nice sculpted back. It's like so sexy to me.
And there you have it. Those exercises that I've been doing for my back have definitely been paying off for me personally. So I want you to go ahead and give those a shot. Please let me know how they're working for you in the comments below. Also, again, if you haven't yet and this did help you out or intrigued you to start working on your back a little bit more, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, I would love it if you click that button right there below and hit subscribe to my channel. I definitely appreciate all the support and your views to keep me bringing you the content that you're interested in seeing. And until next time, bye!